guys, and welcome to my small DIY channel. Today I take you with me, we go shopping with you. Go to a small DIY shop where I go and buy fabric. For those who do not know, I live in a small town about 30 kilometers northeast of Moscow, and at the moment we are with you in the center of the town. Prospect Mira Street. The center of our town, Prospect Mira Street, and here there is a small shop where I go to buy fabric, lace, so everything for my hobby. The variety of fabric is not big. They usually sell some cotton, batiste, that is very thin cotton fabric, and some not very expensive fabric. The snow is melting, +10 at the moment. The spring is here. Next week they promise +18 during the daytime, and all the snow will be gone. Near the main road, usually a lot of small shops. This one, grocery. They sell vegetables and different kinds of fruit. And we go with you to that small shop with the name Tkani. Tkani means fabric. They sell strawberry. One box about $2.50. Looks yummy. Very big strawberry, even huge, about 5 centimeters. The first strawberry usually from Turkey, and then from Krasnodar, that is from Russia, but that will be in a few weeks.
Да, выбор шикарный. Я затерялась. Привыкла, чтобы у меня прям подходило. Это как-то просто уже каталась на шелковые местами. Прям как затяжки. Прям как затяжки.
Если 80 и 520 рублей.
Да, ну, я больше склонна была на рудничную. Сейчас смотрю, если я не нужен, а может, только в свой момент.
Такая у меня есть, может, зелененькая взять, но это дорогая. 480. И он такое качество. decided to take this one, the red one, Atlas, and this one.
Больше бежевого получается. Это как отсвечивает там.
Чуть плотная. This one is not good for me because the pattern is rather big. That is the shop. That is Alex. He's also here.
Все в одном цвете. Там два цвета. Все в одном цвете. Но тоже хлопок. Вот такой же коричневый.
Шлешь что-то? Ну, этот сам, какой салат там хозяин.
In the center of the city we have such a shop which is called Свежов. They sell very yummy ready food, and also there is a small cafe. So guys, the shopping for today is over. I bought 2 types of fabric. Will show you my purchase in the next episode. Also, I bought several meters of lace. And also we went to the shop with ready food, and Alex bought a lot of ready, very yummy food. Sometimes when we do not want to cook at home, we go to such a shop. There are many such places in our town. They are very popular, especially with those who work. They buy ready food in containers and take to the office. Very, very convenient way for those who work and want to have very yummy lunch at the office. Because usually lunchtime is sometimes 30 minutes or 1 hour. And sometimes that is not enough to go to the cafe and have lunch. So many people take lunch boxes or containers with food to the office. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being with us today. Subscribe to the channel and see you soon in another episode. Пока.